Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 75. This question is from GATE 2013 examination. So let us read the question. The voltage source inverter shown in the figure below is switched to provide a 50 kHz square wave AC output voltage across an RL load. Reference polarity of V0 and reference direction of the output current I0 are indicated in the figure, right? So V0 and I0 waveforms are they have indicated. Next, it is given that R is 3 ohm, L is 9.55 millihenry. Okay. Next, question is in the interval when V0 less than 0 and I0 greater than 0, the pair of devices which conducts the load current is. Okay. So here we are having the IGBTs Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and across the IGBT we have connected the feedback diodes D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay. So load is RL load. So if you check the V0 waveform, it is a 180-degree square wave mode. Suppose this is time t 0, right? This is a V0 we are having. Okay. Next, I0 waveform. Okay. So I0 waveform, it will be like this. So if you recall the circuit operation, right, from here to here, yes, we are having the inductor is storing the energy. Okay, so Q1 and Q2 will be the on state. Q1, Q2 conducts. After this, from here to here, whatever the energy stored by the inductor will release the energy, right? Through inductor will release the energy through diodes D3, D4. So during this interval, D3, D4 will be the on state. Again, from this point to this point, yes, here we will be having Q3, Q4 will be in the on state. Again, inductor stores the energy, and after that, again, in the next means for the continuous case, it will be like from, yes, between this interval, we are having diodes D1, D2 will be in the on state. So if we check, they have given V0 is less than 0 and I0 is greater than 0. Okay. So V0 less than 0 means here we are having between these intervals V0 is less than 0 and I0 is greater than 0. Okay. I0 greater than 0 means from here to here they have asked. Okay. So they have asked from here to this point. Okay. So if you check during these intervals, this interval V0 is less than 0 and I0 is greater than 0. Okay. So diodes D3 and D4 will be the on state. Okay. So correct option is option D. Right. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. So this is about the question number 75. In the next video, we are going to discuss the question number 76. Thank you.